Okay, hi guys. So I remember the other day that I made a video and I told you guys I was singing Nightingale by Demi Lovato. I didn't get a chance to do that because I didn't have enough time to that day. But today I will be singing it for you guys. There will be the lyrics in the background, so I'm really sorry about that. But I don't know the song that well, but I'm gonna try because I've had like a lot of people tell me that I should sing Nightingale by Demi Lovato. So with that being said, I will try right now for you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. And I don't own it, but yeah. Can't sleep tonight, wide awake and so confused. Everything's in line, but I am blue. I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home. I kinda need a hero. Is it you? I never see the forest for the tree. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. For me, my sanity, bring me peace, bring me peace. Say you'll be my nightingale. Somebody speak to me. Cause I'm feeling like need you to answer me. I'm overwhelmed. I need a voice to echo. I need a light to take me home. I kinda need to follow. I don't know. I'm singing for the tree. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You could be my scenery, bring me peace, bring me sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. What it's all about you, you open up the way I can do. As long as you're here with me tonight, I'm through. Can you be nightingale? Feel so close, I know you're there. Oh, nightingale, speak to me. I know you're there. Baby, you are my sanity, and bring me peace immediately. Say you'll be my nightingale. Oh. Sorry, I think that was really bad, but I'm still gonna upload it for you guys. Sorry.